everybody, I am Jessie. I'm here at DesignAShirt.com. I am the operations manager here and I am filming a group of mini-series addressing a popular question that our customer service team gets asked every day. That is, what is your best t-shirt? This is such a loaded question with multiple factors that come into play, so I'm going to break down and have some videos that address some of these various factors to help you decide on a shirt that is best for you. I'm going today to talk about the fit and the feel of the shirt. So I'm going to give you a couple of options. Let's start by your preference being a soft and lightweight t-shirt. I've got a couple of options for you. My two options that are both 100% cotton, which is great because that means that they don't have a minimum purchase, would be the Next Level Premium Fitted Crew and the Bella Canvas Unisex Jersey Crewneck t-shirt. They are 4.2 ounces and 4.3 ounces in weight, so very similar in the weight and also the cut and fit of the shirt. Both of these are considered more fashion-forward brands, meaning that the shirt themselves are a little bit more narrow and aren't quite as boxy as some of the more basic brands such as Hanes and Gildan. Now let's switch over to if you prefer a thick and heavyweight t-shirt. When you think of a lighter weight shirt, that you just think that means thin and not necessarily good quality, so you prefer the thicker t-shirts. Maybe you've had better experience with them maintaining their structure and shape over time. So the Hanes Beefy Tee is going to be a great option for you. The Beefy Tee is a 6.1 ounce heavyweight shirt made with ring spun cotton. So that ring spun cotton makes it feel a little bit softer and thicker than its companion, which is the Hanes Tagless Tee, which is a 6.1 ounce shirt as well, but isn't made with ring spun cotton. So both of these are great options, but if you prefer a softer feel, the Beefy Tee is going to be my recommendation for you. Now what's great about both the Tagless and Beefy is that those are also 100% cotton, so they have a no minimum purchase. Now we do have options on our website, such as the shirt I have on, that are made with blended fabrics. Something to keep in mind with blended fabrics is that they do have a minimum of a 6-piece purchase. Now the shirt I have on is my personal favorite. It is the Bella Canvas Unisex Tri-Blend Crewneck t-shirt. So tri-blend, tri meaning 3, it is made with 3 different blends of fabric. It's only 3.8 ounces in weight. It's super lightweight and soft. It comes in so many different colors. I have on a size small. I'm 5'5". I'm still a little bit curvier than normal. I just had a baby a few months ago, but I'm still wearing my preferred size of small, and it's still a very comfortable t-shirt for me. As always, we have a wide range of products that we have access to, so if you're having difficulty finding the product that you have in mind on our website, definitely reach out to us. We will be more than happy to help you find a product that is what you are looking for. We can send you recommendations outside of what we have on our website. We can help you with the products that you're looking at on our website. Let us know and we will help you so you can get started on your order. Until next time.